Johnny playing Crocodile Dundee, grabbing a big frog. Hunter's gonna throw him in the net, and then we're gonna put him in a bucket and find out where they want him to be held. So he'll be returned. Hey everybody, Damien Drager, 4D Exteriorscapes out of Waukesha, Wisconsin. We are down here in Houston, Texas at the Houston Children's Museum. We were brought down by Aqua Springs Water Features out of Houston, and they've got the contract to renovate the existing turtle pond at the Eco Station just outside the, what is it called? The Research Pavilion. And so we got brought down as part of the crack team to wrap this thing up as quickly and efficiently as possible. So we arrived on Monday. Today is day 4, Thursday, end of day. And honestly, I'm surprised. Usually this is the point where I'm getting a little bit nervous because we're leaving tomorrow. I'm going home Friday night. So they're gonna have some finishing up, but there's really not that much to do. So check out, yesterday we probably got about 70% of the rocking done. Today, we're I think 99% done. We got a little bit of touch up here and there, but it is what it is. So skimmer number 1 over there, got a little log sticking in there, everything coming along, a little overflow and a sump pump crock. Nice little beaching area for the turtles to climb up on, and they can actually probably make it out of the pond if they so desire. But with a place like this, why would they even want to? We got another log ramped up there. Nice big waterfall. I think that's probably about an 18 to 20 inch drop, somewhere in that range. Coming out of there, it's gonna crash down, hit both those rocks on each side. There's a real little cool nub there that is sticking out of the water, so we should get a lot of action coming off of that. Little beaching, multiple levels here. Biofalls up here. Nice big sheer drop, great natural stonework, tied everything in together. Our other skimmer number 2 over here. And then you may have seen a couple of these, but we got some logs, nice big logs, okay? And they've been set strategically so that the turtles can come up, if I remember correctly. Water level hits somewhere in here, okay? And goes up about halfway up the log, and then so the turtles can just swim up, climb up onto there, and just bask out in the sun and chill out. We've also got an aquascape fish cave in here. And let's see, this log was inspired, installed, scribed, and the brainchild of one Cody Gilstrap out of River Rock Water Garden out of Arkansas. I always get Arkansas and Oklahoma because you're so close to the border. But he took this other log that they had here, scribed it so that it's actually attached to the front ledger board here and over there. I think once everything's done, it's gonna be a really awesome looking feature on there. 4 days, demo, shape it, underlay it with rock pad, concrete cloth along the whole inside edge nearest the building, underlay it again. There was an under drain also, just in case there's any water issues. It gets over to a sump crock to get everything out of there. Then obviously all the pretty stuff. So it's been, let's see, how many pallets did we go through of rock? 9, 10, 9, so that's about 18 tons. 18 tons of boulders, 7 bags of gravel, so that's about another 14 tons of gravel. And hauled up 22 bags, so, and each of those only had about half a ton in it. So you do the math, it's the end of the day. So have a great day. Like, comment, follow, subscribe, tell your friends.